Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to download files from OneDrive. So whether it's your photos, videos, or documents, you can just go ahead and follow up these steps. So let's just get started. First of all, you can just go over to your browser and type in onedrive.live.com and hit enter. And if you are not logged in yet, you can log in into your account, and once you are logged in, you will be finding your profile in the top right corner. You can look out for the sign in option in order to sign in. Once you are inside here, you will be seeing all of your files and folders. Right now you can see I have some files and folders available in this drive of mine, so you can just go over and log in with your account that has the files and folders. Even if you do not only want your files, you can look out for this My File section from your left hand side menu and click on it. And from there, just go ahead and look out for the file that you may want to download or find it up. So you can just go ahead and browse and locate the file that you want to download. It will be called a Word document or video or even an entire folder. You can just go ahead and look out for it. If you're in this Photos tab, you can switch up to Files so that you can locate the file. After that, what you can do is you can simply download the file. So for that, you can right click on the file, and once you do so, here you can find open option. You can open it up and view it first so that you can edit it out or something like that. And once you find the folder, you may look out for the download option. You can find the share option here, look out for download, or you can even go ahead and copy link or share it so that you can go ahead and have it on your folder. So you can just go ahead and do so. If not this, you can just go ahead and look out for the downloadable folder here. So let me just go ahead and look out for one of them. For example, here in this My File section, you should be finding a bunch of files. You just need to right click on the file that you would like to download, and you should be finding a download option like this directly on your screen. So click on it, and once you click on it, you should be finding the file being downloaded. You can open up the file location, and from there you should be finding a file there being available. So sometimes it may be downloaded as a zip file. You can extract it all, or if it is not, you can directly open up the file that should be available, and that's it. And there we go. So this is the way you can just go ahead and download files from your OneDrive. That is how you successfully do it. So therefore, do not forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and drop a comment below about what you want next, and thank you for watching this video.